If you want to delete your Figma account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to close your Figma account from the web browser or desktop app, so you can do it safely and without confusion. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully, because once you confirm the deletion, your account and access will be removed. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into Figma using your web browser or the Figma desktop app. Once you're signed in, look to the top left corner of the screen and click your profile name or avatar. This will open a menu with your account options. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you into your account settings page, where you can manage your personal details and account preferences. Now on the Settings page, make sure you're in the Account tab. Once you're there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Figma keeps the delete option near the end for safety, so take your time and look carefully. When you find it, click Delete Account. Figma will then ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed. This is the final safeguard before your account is removed. At this point, type the confirmation phrase exactly as shown, such as delete my account, and then confirm the deletion. Make sure you enter the phrase correctly, because if it doesn't match, the process won't continue. Once you submit the confirmation, your Figma account deletion request will be completed. That's all there is to it. You've now deleted your Figma account by going through the account settings and confirming the removal. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, step-by-step guides on the apps you use every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.